The most awaited mail has been arrived with the mail subject Infosys Catch Them in 2021. Thank you for registering. If you still not received the mail, don't get panic. Wait for some time. You will get it because I received the mail before 3 hours and my friend received it before 45 minutes ago. The time when I'm recording this video is 6:30 p.m. So it differs for each person. So don't get panic. Wait for some time. You for sure you will get it. Now we are going to see the step one by one. Okay, let's start with the step one. In this mail you can see they have given how to join the meeting and some important notes that need to be followed during before joining this event. So let's have a look on that one by one. For the first step is like copy the URL and paste it in a browser. We can do that. So I did it. So when I did it, I get two options: login with Infosys email ID and login for others. This is for Infosys employee. So skip that. Just click on login for others. Once you click that, you will get an option to enter your username and the password. The username you should give the mail ID which you used for registering this event. So just give that and the password which have been provided in your mail. So you will get the password in your mail, in the same mail which I showed you. So just enter the password, click on login. Once you clicked on the login, now you can able to see the most beautiful screen on your desktop. This is the image of Infosys Mysore Training Center. I would say one of the best company for freshers. Mysore Training was a unforgettable memory for all the students who joined Infosys as a fresher. Such an awesome environment, training, etc. Here is a place actually where the student used to sit and relax themselves. A music water fountain will be there. A light melody song will be played. So the students used to generally walk around here or sit around there and just relax themselves. You might can be one among that in the future. All the best for that. And here you can see the timing remains the 19 hours more for this event to start. So we can see that, and you can see the people are walking around it. Such a beautiful screen virtually. I can see that very well. The clouds are moving. Now we have followed all the steps, 5 steps which have mentioned here. So now we can have a just have a look on the important notes that have been mentioned here. So they are saying for best viewing experience to use a recommended screen size above 9 or above 9. Okay, 9 or above 9, either laptop, desktop or iPad or tablet. That will be best for viewing experience, because if the screen is bigger then it will be good, right, than a mobile. So just for best viewing experience they have recommended that, and they have told that go to use the browser Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox or Safari, because when I try to open the same link in Internet Explorer it throwed me an error. So you can see the link here. So it throwed me an error. So use a browser mentioned over here, because here clearly they have mentioned older other browsers will not work for this event. So just have a look on this before the event starts. What you can do is like it starts at 4 p.m, right? So before prior 1 hour you can just make sure that everything works correct. Okay, so don't do at the last minute. Go at 4 p.m straight away you go and you try to log in, and you might face some issue and it might take some time and you might miss some part of session, right? So don't do login at the last minute. So just try to log in at least before 15 to 10 minutes and just make sure that everything you followed correctly. Okay, so and the last notice like avoid a black screen or screen blocking. They're asking you to make allow cookies for this site. So what you have to do is like you can just go to here and you can see whether the cookies is allowed or not. So if it is blocked you can see under here. If it is blocked you should make it allow for this site. You can see here. And then what they have told us like to just clear the cache from the browser. So what you do is like control shift delete and just clear your cache. Okay, clear data, that's it. So it's done. So make sure you do all these things before the session starts. Okay, so no a last minute hurry up or rush up or to reach someone for any issues, or no last minute rush ups. Okay, so they have also mentioned for technical support. If you face any technical issues during the event time, you can just write a note to this email id. They will help you for that. So all the best, students.